What's up guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we're going over a flawless high buzz cut. Start off by removing all the bulk up top. In this case, I am using a number 3 against the grain. Make sure to work patiently and get every speck of hair. Next up, with your preferred trimmer, create a baseline right above your seat cup. Try not to be too harsh on the scalp or you will end up making it difficult to remove that line later throughout the cut. Also, make sure both sides are symmetrical. Now slowly remove everything underneath. Try not to go past that baseline you just made. Guys, I personally love using a trimmer to cut down all the bulk, but to each their own. With your shaver now, remove all the stubble left behind. This step is optional but will leave you a cleaner look. With your lever fully open, create a full inch guideline. Notice how I do place my thumb to stop the scalp from moving. Now you want to close up the lever and hit that baseline halfway through, all around. I do use a trimmer to get rid of whatever line is left within the guideline we just made. If you decide to do the same, remember to work in sections with soft strokes. Next, just open up the lever gradually to finish off this guideline. Concentrate and don't be afraid to use that lever. Like I always mention, if you happen to get this step done correctly, you'll set up yourself for a perfect fade. If you're trying to go for a longer blend, you can always make larger guidelines. Guys, these buzz cuts are highly requested towards the spring and summer, so that's something to take note of. With your 1.5 open, now create a full inch guideline. With your number 2 open, just go up another full inch, but don't dig into the scalp, just let it flow through. Alright, with your half guard halfway through, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever with the same guard and go up another 1/2 inch. Use the number 1 open to soften any lineup above the step we just made. As you can see, this fade is starting to look complete and well suited to my model. I did use a blending over comb technique to knock out any dark areas I spotted. Finally, with your lever fully open, remove that last bottom baseline you're able to see. Also, be patient when doing this and know that it's okay to take your sweet time. Guys, I do recommend you to work on the entire head when following these steps. I just happen to be doing half the head for demonstration purposes only. And also, thank you so much for the love and support you've shown the channel. It truly means the world to me. If you guys happen to have questions over the steps, please leave them down below and I'll be glad to help you out. Now, spraying a light coat of hairspray will help keep everything in place when lining up. I do find that my FX3s help me achieve a sharper look towards my lineups. Remember to start in the middle and work your way off to the sides. If you guys happen to want any Babyliss tool, make sure to check out the description for a discount code. Guys, here is our beautiful buzz cut, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're not yet. Thanks for tuning in. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace. Guys, before we close off this video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. It truly means the world, and as a gift back, I am giving away these 3 sets right in front of me to some of you guys. Now, to enter, all you really got to do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel, follow my Instagram. On Instagram, you'll find a post about this. Share that to your story and tag 2 friends. Anyways, that's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.